Hey, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and today we've got a nice 9-drawer dresser that we're going to redo. So hit that subscribe button and let's get this project started. Alright, overall, pretty good condition. It's definitely got some wear on it, but we're going to sand all that out and then we're going to paint it a dark navy blue. So we'll remove all the hardware, pull the drawers, we'll check all the tracks, make sure that's good. We're going to sand it, paint it, we'll scuff it just a little bit, give it that farm style look that we do here, wax it, and well, this piece is going to come along quite fast. So let's get started. All the tracks are nice and solid. We got a good frame here, nothing's loose or broken, so we're good to start on sanding. I got my DeWalt sander, 80 grit sandpaper, got my dust mask. We're gonna go over this piece with a nice light scuff. Now I know some people skip this step and just go to painting. I like to get a nice scuff, get that paint to really adhere, get it good clean, get any oils or anything off these pieces. Well, when you're selling them, you really want to show the quality of it. So we're going to do everything we can with the DeWalt, then we'll come back and hand sand all the areas that we couldn't get with the DeWalt. Drawers included, so let's get started. Alright, so we've got this piece sanded down, we vacuumed it out, wiped it down, and now we're ready to start painting. Got my 2-inch Worcester brush. You can see it's had quite the life, but it still works amazing. We're going to use our BEHR Eggshell dark navy blue paint. Gonna put 2 coats on everything. I'm in Phoenix, so it's pretty dry and pretty warm here, so I'll be able to do a coat everything once, coat it again, and be all done with it today. So let's get started. Alright, 2 coats on, and we're going to do a little scuff on this just to give it a nice vintage look. We're going to use the old sandpaper that we have laying around here. Now this is a step that you definitely could skip on your own if you'd like that solid look, but here we like to add a little farm or a little vintage look to it, so we're going to get started on that, and then we can start waxing this piece. Alright, we did a light scuff, we wiped it off, vacuumed it out again, and now we can start adding our wax. So we're going to use Citrus Shield, it's by Howard. I'm going to use an old sock here, go over the piece nice and easy. You could use polyurethane or any of your type of sealer for this project, but we're going to go with wax. And we'll start from the top, work our way down. We'll do all the drawers, so the next time you see this piece, it's going to have a hardware, all the drawers are in, and we're going to see what it looks like at the end. Alright, here it is completed, dark navy. We scuffed it and then waxed it to finalize this piece. I think the color is amazing. I love this design French dresser set, and it should sell pretty well. Remember, hit that subscribe button and keep following us. We're gonna do some more cool projects as we keep moving forward.